What's up, man? I'm actually going to meet up with Dan Piper Parkinson, who said he's gonna be dropping his kid off and he wants to fly. Apparently it's been a while since he's gone out and ripped, but Dan caught me off guard. Dan caught me, he wants to fly FPV, and he caught me at a time when all of my good rigs that I can put GoPros and stuff are down for repairs. So I Frankensteined a quad, and I just took something that was really old and I just slapped something together so I could fly with him today. So I'm sorry guys, I will offer you some DVR footage along with some HD footage. I guess he wants me to rip a couple of his quads, and so I brought some extra SD cards and so on and so forth, but the Wakira 250, or the Wakira 210 is officially a Frankenstein quad. It's a Frankenwad, so we're calling it the Huff and Puff. So the Huff and Puff is going to get a flight today. I changed the camera again for the third time. I'm hoping to get better results today out of the camera. We'll find out. So I'm meeting Dan at 1. I think Brian, QFPV, a couple other guys might be out there. Right now I am on my way to 7-Eleven because it's lunchtime and I'm hungry and I want to get a salad or something. So I'm just gonna stop, grab something really easy, grab something to drink, and boom, head to the flight location. So I'll see you guys there. They didn't have salad, but they had baked chicken wings. So I got 5. And I got a vitamin water. So I am just going to sit out here at the location until Dan gets here, and I'm probably just gonna play video games. I may just set my camera up there so you guys can see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna be playing Super Nintendo up here because I have my modified tablet, so I just put it in my window, leave the AC running. It's 77 degrees already, and it's just going up from there. So I'm just gonna sit here in the air conditioning, maybe put the windows down. It's pretty breezy down here. I might just put the windows down, see what kind of breeze is coming in. This is the rig. This is the rig I told him I was gonna rig up to make it work. This is like from 2013. This is the Wakira F210 Furious inverted flyer, and running on 4S. As you can see, the proprietary VTX failed on this thing, so I removed the bottom of it and soldered onto the pad so that I could get a working 800 milliwatt VTX on there. I just went ahead and strapped the dipole antenna to the back of this thing, and then I put a new camera on it, and should be good to go. Should fly. Put some pads on the bottom to hopefully keep the VTX from taking too much of a hit. Put some little standoffs on there, so if it lands, at least it'll land on the standoffs, and the legs also have some stands on them, so hopefully that keeps impact from happening on the VTX, because that would suck. That's a $25 investment down the drain if that takes a smash, but it's really the only place you can install it without taking the whole thing apart. So the old VTX was you know, proprietary base, so that's what we had to do. So one screw holding that in, running 800 milliwatts, and running the old Devo 7 transmitter, and until my other rigs are up, that's kind of what I'm stuck with. So yeah, hopefully she rips today.
Well, we'll probably swap over anyways. So.
Slap away, bro.
Oh,
Dan is here to place a steer. You see me hop hit me in the middle of Dodge.
And Drone on.
Somebody randomly just and then walked off. So you know, that's always good.
Dude, I had a little Toyota Matrix that had a bunch of stickers all over it, and somebody did that, and they came up and like slapped a weird sticker on it. I'm gonna stick with the theme.
The theme here, okay, yeah.
I'm not gonna be that guy that's like, and crooked right here. But yeah, I had some dude that did that. Bam. And he was like, I didn't even know where it happened or what. I showed up, walked up to my car, and I was like, like, and it was covered in stickers. So it was one that's like, that's not mine.
All right, Dan, explain this rig. This is a 10-inch.
That is the 10-inch 360 Hobbies Kraken. It's designed by Skylar Allingham, who gave me a wonderful deal on it when he was closing up shop. No moss in there? All right, I think we're good.
Totally cut that out. Let's have it.
My bad. No, it's all good.
Wow.
Wait until it disappears.
Ooh. That is definitely a silent runner.
Right? Like, we're not even too far away. I wonder if I fixed the flip.
Ooh,
No,
whoa.
Oh.
Why are you
getting that?
Hey. Ooh la la, ah wee wee. Ooh la la, ah wee wee. Hey. Ooh la la, ah wee wee. Hey. Ooh la la, ah wee wee. 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 Ooh la la. Looking for M's like I lost a friend. Jump out of my bed like where the bread. You go hold the egg, waiter bring the check. When we talk, we collision cars. Keep us in your thoughts, fully dressed at the crack of dawn. Weapons letting off, I can hear them from the block. See them creeping through the fog. Season's greetings, now feeding season can start. Oh my God, look alive, looking like I live life on a crooked line. Doing fine, you want maximum stupid, I am the guy.
First of all, fuck the fucking law. We is fucking raw. Steak tartare, oysters on the half shell, sushi bar. Life a bitch and the pussy fish. Still fuck the raw. I'm a dog, I'm a dirty dog. Ha 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 ha. Oh dirty bastard, go in your jaw. Shimmy shimmy y'all. Got the simmy in the hemi, go and gimme y'all. Pugilistic, my linguistics, RJ Ruler damage y'all. And I rap it, pornographic, bitch set up the camera.
Ooh la la, ah wee wee. 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 Ooh la la, ah wee wee.
Come on.
Ooh la la, ah wee wee. You covered disruption, I got you covered, I'm busting. My brother's a runner, he crushing, there's no discussion. I used to be Munchkin, I wasn't supposed to be nothing. Y'all fuckers corrupted and up to something disgusting. My pockets are plumper this season, I love to cup 'em. I'm afraid of nothing but nothingness, ain't it something? Warmongers are dumping, a point and click at your pumpkin. You're suffering disruption, so put your kids in the oven.
Fuck a king or queen and all of they lost subjects. I pull my penis out and I piss on they shoes in public. People, we the pirates, the pride of this great republic. No matter what you order, motherfucker, we what you stuck with. I used to love Bruce, but living my vida loca. Help me understand, I'm probably more of a joke. When we usher in chaos, just know that we did it smile. Cannibals on this island, inmates run the asylum.
Ooh la la, ah wee wee. Ooh la la, ah wee wee. Ooh la la, ah wee wee. Ooh la la.
DJ.
Ooh la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la, ah wee wee. Ooh la 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 la.
Drop the bomb bomb them. Drop the bomb bomb them. One drop the bomb bomb them. 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 One drop the bomb bomb them. Drop the bomb bomb them. Drop the bomb bomb them. If I put the bread up, I say we not take far. Them a liar and we come down like this hector. Chameleon, they taste like transformer. Put them plan up, not a card, them the great pretender. So we jam up and we not this zero. Just when we are, roll on the club off of a night and the lunch. Coffee. Drop the bomb. Drop the bomb bomb. a middle finger. And them a fuss and one of the cat and look in.
I got twins and Skrillex.
One drop the bomb bomb them.
Business I go get fixed. Yo, what we tell them?
Drop the bomb bomb them. Drop the bomb bomb them. One drop the bomb bomb them. Drop the bomb bomb them. Drop the bomb bomb them. Make the mistake me then rip. Look up when me a top boy keep your mouth.
Official spot change. Oh, I haven't even shown you guys in his trunk yet. It's fucking gnarly in here. Oh my god. Quad
I got a couple
Kingdom.
more. I got more back there.
Quad Kingdom. Things are hiding.
Told you I brought whoops.
Yes.
I don't know if my whoops will do too well out here.
Yeah, well, we never know what to expect with wind, but the big birds normally can handle it. So
This guy's got enough props to be able to cut through.
Oh my god, what in the fucking... what is the deal
This
with
is my
thing?
3-inch.
Pink.
All pink, baby.
Salmon colored.
My daughter loves pink. She's a 4.5-year-old girl.
That's what I'm talking about. Buy it, Dad. All right, now.
Every time I'm like, what color should I make this? She's like, pink.
So Dan traveled three hours?
3 hours, yeah, 150 miles, I think.
Wow, that's...
Across FL.
Now, don't get me wrong, he was already coming this way. But he was like, yo, let's hook up and do this. So I was like, all right. And I already explained the backstory of the Frankenwad. That's how that thing was born. So there's that. But then Dan showed up and was like, here, man, I'm gonna give you this. You guys remember when I lost my 3-inch? Well, he gave it to me at the same place that I lost my 3-inch. So this is like mad respect to Dan for doing this. This is awesome. And it has a CADX in it, so we're right back to HD on the 3-inch. So that, he's an amazing guy, man. He is. Dan's an awesome dude, bro.
Boom, pound it.
He's fucking sweet, dude. He came out here, ripped with me, had a good time, showed him some of the Tampa
When I get
spots.
this tuned up, I'll come back.
Hell yeah. Yeah, the Kraken was giving him some issues today. It was needs a little better tune job, but...
It was fine just cruising.
Right.
But whenever I tried to do anything, it just would freak out.
So Huff and Puff, the Frankenwad, that's what you guys wanted. You guys wanted to name it Huff and Puff. Huff and Puff, or Clean Crap 1, is questionable at best. But I did get a really savage flight in for the last one. I decided to just push it as hard as she would go, and it finally started to perform kind of like the birds that I fly normally. So maybe I'll put some more time on flight, Clean Flight 1. You never know. I think I'm just going to bring this out as a basher quad for people that break their quads, don't want to keep flying. I think it'll be ideal for a situation like that. I don't know if I want to invest more time or money into it, but it flies, and it does okay, kinda, I guess. It needs love. I'm not gonna lie. It needs a lot of love, man.
Fun, dude.
It was interesting stepping back into caveman for a minute there, and playing with it. But man, when
it makes you
appreciate,
really appreciate,
yes,
what we have now.
Now.
'Cause back then, you're like,
Yes.
oh, I'm still rolling.
Right.
Oh, I'm still rolling.
dude, it does the laziest rolls on the planet, dude. And if you drop the throttle and zero out, yeah, it goes zero. It just becomes a dead stick sliding through the air. It's a questionable animal to fly, but you know what, it flies. And if you give it hell, it rolls. But then I took the 3-inch out. That major difference. Felt like I was home again. So yeah, so shout outs to Dan for coming out here and being an absolute awesome dude.
Oh.
So fuck yeah, we're out, man. Catch you guys on the flip. See ya.
I am a drone hobby enthusiast. I would never use my drone in a way that contradicts the drone hobbyist code of conduct.